Hello everyone! Welcome to our first night at Astoria Hotel here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. So, I will give you a quick tour of the night view. Pero dito lang muna sa may malapit sa aming hotel room, which is the alcove. Quick view of the outside. Kasi po this is an 8-hectare property hotel. So, yung quick view na lang muna ng nasa malapit lang kasi parang pagod din ako dahil sa tour namin. So, I'll show you.
So, unahin na natin. This is their lobby, reception area, and then afterwards, we'll be heading to our room. Yan, so may mga pa Christmas lights. Pasensya na, November kasi to, and ngayon lang namin to na-edit and na-upload. Ayan, so we'll be walking, again, grabe dito sa Astoria with all the efforts on assisting their clients. Grabe sila, hatid hanggang sa room. Kasi sa bagay, ganun naman talaga usually in the hotels, but they are totally accommodating. Grabe yung pag-accommodate sa akin. Sa amin pala, may kasama pala ako. Nandyan pala yung asawa ko. So, dito na tayo. Hindi pa kami mag-asawa. So, this is a quick view. It's orange, but napakaganda niya. And the bed, oh my gosh, is really so comfortable. Grabe. Grabe yung pahinga namin dito. Like, we stayed for 5 days. Talagang pahingang-pahinga ka dito. And this is their bathroom. Quick view lang of their bathroom. Siyempre, maganda din. Ang maganda dito sa Astoria Hotel, and meron silang lutuan. Ayan, may lutuan sila, and then you can go outside, buy food, and cook for your own food. Ganyan dito. So, ito yung wide angle view ng ating room. So, dalawa lang kami. So, yan, dalawa lang.
So, this hotel has a water park, but we'll try it maybe the next day. They have like this, and up front, near the reception.
And at night, guys, they have entertainment and activities. So, ito siya. Nakikita nyo man, may pool area. And then, they have a stage. So, this time, ang na-videohan ko is the fire dancers doing their act. Meron din tayong acoustic band. May banda rin ho kanina. But, you know, hindi ko na-videohan na kasama yon. But, that's it. While you're having your dinner, beside the pool, on their restaurant, they will give you this entertainment every night. So, sa 5 araw namin dito sa Astoria, they have this entertainment every night. So, iba-iba siya. Iba-ibang performances. This time, it's fire dancers. Meron din pong, yun, yung sabi ko kanina, acoustic band. Yan, may mga pasabog yan. Sila Ate Coco. Ayan. Actually, they are 3. There's 3 of them. Ang saya niyan. I mean, you won't expect from a hotel to go this extra mile. I mean, sorry pero kasi talaga ako nakakapunta masyado ng mga ganito. So, I am so... And this is the night view of Astoria Hotel pool area. Katabi lang din ho yan ng restaurant. Yan, dami kami dyan. Yan, ulitin ko po, November tong trip namin. So, may mga pa-ho-ho, Merry Christmas pa. Very late upload. And meron silang parang light tunnel. Ay, grabe, pasabog to. Ang haba ng tunnel at ang ganda. Picture perfect. Aesthetic talagang bongga. Ang ganda. And at the end of the light tunnel is the Christmas village. So, as you can see, may mga ganyan na design. Talagang hindi nila tinipid yung decor nila. Atake tayo dyan. And they have free movie marathon. And they sell, grabe Paskong-Pasko dito. Puto bumbong, hot chocolate. May mga rice meals din dito. Tapos, mayroon silang parang printing something. Ayan o, nakikita nyo yan. Putong bumbong yan.
A little bit,
amazing
Dad.
talaga. O, yan o. O, diba? Suki sa putong bumbong yan. Yan. At yun nga, may mga pagkain. So, makakatipid din kayo. Hindi kayo kailangan kumain sa restaurant. And they have photo booth. Chares. Bye-bye!